Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. Hiroshima. Kids went in the Family Mart to get me a water. I'm gonna walk to the stadium. Here's a cool plaque of Hiroshima City on the sidewalk. I noticed the manhole covers in Japan, they have pictures on them. All these signs of baseball. Bullet train. So my kids are gonna continue walking along Carp Road to the Mazda Stadium where the Hiroshima Carps baseball team plays. So they went to go buy tickets to the baseball game. So I'm super tired and I'm just gonna sit here and watch the trains go by. But later on during our trip I found out one of my wheels on my suitcase was busted. That's why I was getting tired and it was hard to pull. So here we are crossing the Enko Bridge. The train station's over there. I'm walking towards the hotel. So my kids told me it's only a 15-minute walk from the train station to our hotel. And a half-hour walk from the stadium to our hotel. Had I known how far it was, I would have took the bus. Good thing I didn't walk all the way to the stadium. So we just crossed the bridge and we're gonna get some snacks at 7-Eleven. Why?
Maybe Melon?
Melon? Oh, that guy said it was good. Okay.
I got the tuna.
It's okay. I saw this at the other store. They had it.
Oh, they had it?
Yeah.
This one I wasn't charged for. It's okay.
It's not like it's light. I like it. Two more onigiri. What kind? Tuna? I got a chocolate ice cream. I hope it's chocolate. Yeah, chocolate milk ice cream. Really rich. Find in Toronto. It's not as rich. Want to find? I find it richer, more sugary.
More flavorful.
Yeah.
You can taste the flavors.
So if you're wondering why we're eating the food in front of 7-Eleven, it's bad manners to walk around and eat in Japan. I know. Did you have tuna at the other?
No, I didn't get the tuna. I put it back. I got it in the bento box.
Did it all come out?
I think $8.
2 of the onigiris, ice cream,
And a pop.
and a pop.
$8. That's a good price.
Yeah, $8.40 in Canadian.
Taxi. What is that? Lada? Oh, there's some old-fashioned streetcar. So we made it to our hotel. It's Hotel Vista. And the hotel lobby is on the 2nd floor. So we're in room 1416.
There's slippers there.
So you're not supposed to wear your street shoes in the hotel room, and they provide free slippers.
Oh, put the room key in. Oh, there.
3 beds. Sinks here. It's warm in here. All the AC's there. No balcony. That's the view. Three beds.
This is a nice room.
Yeah. You got fridge, kettle. Where's fridge? In here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll just email them.
It's the washroom.
When I took the... It says
Yeah,
there- I
washroom
booked for two people. So.
Oh, here's the shower. That's okay. Who cares? So we just arrived in Hiroshima. It's our first day here. So it's still early in the afternoon, so we're gonna leave the hotel and explore the city of Hiroshima. We like this hotel and would come back here again. And it's walking distance to the shopping district and the Peace Memorial Museum. Hotel Vista, Hiroshima. Front lobby's on the second floor. Hotel Vista. No. Let's go to the War Museum. Want to eat now? I think the War Museum is that way. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and hope to see you at our next video when we visit the Peace Memorial Museum in Hiroshima, Japan.